Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jane. What's up? You guys should totally go ahead and click that subscribe button.
Join the party, join the fam.
I knew you were gonna say that.
I love saying that.
We're doing an unboxing of the winter FabFitFun box. I'm super excited to be partnering with FabFitFun on this video. If you guys haven't heard of FabFitFun, where have you been? If you guys want $10 off your first box, you can use the code JSimmons10. I'll have it on the screen, and that'll give you guys $10 off your very first box. So in this one box, this is $200 worth of product that you can get for $49.99. So already that's an amazing deal, filled with like a bunch of stuff that I probably wouldn't try on my own because I'm a plain Jane. And I know, right? It's a good deal.
No, I didn't know anything about this.
It's a really awesome birthday gift, Christmas gift. Christmas is around the corner. So I think that this is a really awesome, affordable way to give somebody so much value. Each box raises funds and awareness of a different nonprofit. This season in the corner, you can see it's in support of the women's Alzheimer's movement. I think that that's so awesome that they're a company that's on top of like bringing us new products and doing new things and partnering with so many brands. On top of all of that, they're also taking time to give back to someone else to raise awareness of different people's situations, and there's not a lot of companies doing that, so like, no. Go them. Support female brands. Woo! Hell yeah. And then if you guys decide to do a membership, there's flash sales and you get access to FabFitFun TV. So there's so much going on. They're doing so many wonderful things. And with that, Grant's gonna be unboxing this box because I thought to myself, I was like, either I can tell you all the cool stuff about all these products that I've definitely already looked at before filming this because I couldn't wait, or someone who doesn't know probably half the things that even exist.
Let's not jump to conclusions. No, I don't know anything.
I feel like you're gonna pick up some of this stuff because I already looked. I peeked. I cheated. So I feel like you're gonna look at some of this stuff and be like, what the hell is this? So without further ado.
Oh.
Happy FabFitFun. Do you want me to like?
Do you want to like give me stuff?
Yeah, I'll pass
and then, like,
stuff.
we can do a little demo.
Well, I want you to like pull it out.
Okay. So what I see first is this FabFitFun magazine. It is the Winter 2019 edition. Page number 1 says.
No.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Is there like a men's version of this?
No, but don't you wish?
Yeah.
They do,
a self-care ritual.
What is this?
Oh,
What's
for
Zodiac?
the horoscope. Oh,
I'm a Sagittarius. Stretch your horizons, literally and figuratively. Beat the cold weather with a hot yoga class. Grant's a Libra. It says for you to get lost in a book. That won't happen. One time
I read every day on the train. Every single day. I
gave Grant a book series, Game of Thrones, for his birthday last year. Have you read any of it?
I love them, but no, I haven't read the books.
Oh, and it comes with a HelloFresh gift card. Oh, we could use this.
Dude!
I know, actually. Okay, we're gonna use this. We have to use it with
$90 gift card. Don't show the camera because you can't steal our code, but dude, just know it's there. I'm ready.
Alright, pick your poison.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Alright, so this box right here.
You can open it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
I don't really know what it is. It's called, Baddington lashes. Oh wait, what is? Oh, it's like an eye with eyeball, like an eyelash thing. All right.
Okay, wait. Go.
Oh, like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Oh. They're looks like fake eyelashes with like glue. Do you wear like you put these on?
Yeah.
And like you take them off and do you throw them away?
Well, you can wear them like a few times before you throw them away.
Whoa. It's like a hat for your eyes.
Yeah, you have to like cut them so that they like match your eye length, and then you use the glue and like do it along the lash line.
Oh my god, that sounds like so much work. If I was a girl, I'd just be hideous because I couldn't keep up.
These are nice though. A lot of lashes that are like this, where like they're crisscrossed so they look more natural. These look very natural. They're gonna be like super expensive, and then the ones that are cheap, like you just can't buy cheap eyelashes, you know? You
can't.
It's just, shut up.
I would say that they're fabulous fit.
Oh my god.
And very fun. Okay.
Pick out your
this little box. Lashes MD. Again, lashes must be a giant deal. Eyelash eyebrow conditioner. Are you serious?
Yeah.
This exists?
Yeah.
Contour. Oh, that's in Spanish. Get the look you always wanted. See initial results in 3 weeks. Wow. Actually, I might use this for my brows because.
It helps your eyelashes grow.
That's really cool. It's like eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. However, I don't really know how you're gonna get it on your eyelashes because like.
So it's like a wand. I know a few people have tried this and they loved it, so I'm excited to try it. Get the look you've always wanted. Direction: use once a day at bedtime. Remove eye makeup with a mild cleanser. Apply a thin line. Oh yeah. So it's not like that. It's like a thin. It's like liquid. And you have to go across your your eyelid? Yeah. Apply a thin line of Lash MD at the base of the upper and lower lashes as though applying eyeliner. Can also be applied to the root of the eyebrows. What's next?
This thing.
Okay. Fashion.
Oh, it's called Blueray. Kind of sounds like Blueray, but no affiliation. To me,
you can open it.
Oh, okay. Loki looks kind of cool.
I know, right? It's like sporty.
Is it like a purse? Okay.
It's so much like a purse that it is a purse.
Oh man. Well, that's
He's
good.
mad because he can't steal.
Yeah, it's cool for like girls and stuff, but like I was hoping it'd be like a cool little dop kit that I would totally steal. It's like a athletic little purse.
It's like sporty.
All right, so we open it and oh, they gave us free foam. I love it. Oh yeah, this is totally cool. A zipper. You gotta have a zipper on the inside, which they do. Oh, there's like little pouches in it too to like hold
that's nice.
stuff. Very, very cool. Stretchy, comfortable, and honestly,
I wanna feel
pretty
it.
cool looking.
This is nice, like this material, because this is the kind of material that like doesn't get stained easily.
Yeah, and it also doesn't.
And when you
wilt.
live in New York,
Dude,
that's a must.
yesterday I went to Target. It was literally like a movie. I was so close to the sidewalk. Luckily I was wearing pants, but a car comes flying and splashes my entire right side
Oh my god.
in dirty, dirty New York water. And I was like, I stood there and I wasn't mad because I was like, I was
There's just
walking.
nothing you can do.
I was walking here, like I did this to myself because I went to the right. It was just a whole ordeal, but welcome to NY. All right, what's this thing? Color switch. Looks like a brush. It's an intense brush cleanser.
Instant.
If you go watch Jane's vlog, I just learned how to read recently, so. Instant brush cleanser. Oh, so like you clean a brush with it? It's a brush that cleans a brush? Get makeup.
Glide. Glide makeup brush against the color switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. Color switch is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water and then lay flat to dry. Okay. So, oh, this is so cool because look.
Yeah, that's
So I can like put it in my makeup bag.
Or you can put it in the Blueray bag.
Instantly removes makeup from brushes. I'm gonna try it with this one, so I just use this brush. Okay. So it's like pretty messy. Okay. Do you want to do it?
Sure.
You just move it in a circular motion.
I'm moving it in circles. Oh, it is like painting the bristles.
You can get in there.
Yeah.
If you were like traveling, okay, hear me out. You're traveling, okay?
Okay.
And you want to do your eye makeup, but you don't want to bring a bunch of brushes, okay? So you just bring one brush and you bring this, and then you can do your whole eyeshadow, but like you don't want the colors to mix, you know? So you can use one brush and then switch it out. Color switch.
I love that.
Grant and I are like making eye contact in the
Yeah,
mirror.
the camera's here. We're looking over here. We're like, yeah, having this whole conversation with Alexa. Pretty nifty.
Nifty.
In this FabFitFun box.
Fabulous fit and fun.
God, I want one of these for me, like guy stuff.
I know, right? It's fun.
Beard
It's like
care.
Christmas. Okay.
All right, this.
I'm really excited
Oh,
about
it's
that
called
one.
Prep Rally. Prime and Prep.
Prep rally.
Detangler.
Like pep rally.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
That is super cute. Oh, so it's like to detangle your hair probably when you get out of it. Well, let's read the directions. Mist gently on damp hair and brush through. So yeah, it's but before you blow dry your hair. Honestly, that's pretty clutch. My hair's pretty long, but not that long to where it
I need
tangles. But
this.
you have very long hair and it does
It tangles
tangle.
all the time. Oh, and it's a heat protector. It checks up to 450 degrees. That's really nice. I'm so excited. I actually haven't had a heat protector in quite some time, which is not good. Not good for my hair.
The makeup eraser comes in like this cool angular little, like a pink eraser from like middle school. That's like the design. Erase all makeup with just water. Yeah, it feels like a sponge. Like a makeup
We'll open
sponge.
it. But I want to point out that it's also vegetarian and vegan friendly, environmentally friendly, cruelty free, Europe approved. I don't know if actually EU is Europe approved or not, but it's EU approved, and I think it's funny.
If Europe approves of it, I approve of it.
Hypoallergenic, dermatologist approved. Do you want to take it off?
Sure.
Oh, that's
it's
not what I was expecting
It's
it
not
to
what I was
look like.
expecting.
Yeah.
It is a rag.
It's a rag.
It's like a plush cloth rag. Bye bye makeup wipes forever.
It works like a suction cup is what it says.
Well, that's kind of cool.
Made up of million tiny hair-like fibers, adheres to makeup and gently pulls it up and out of the skin.
That's super cool.
That's
Look how soft it
crazy.
is. It's pretty
Do you
soft.
just wash it? Is that what you do? It lasts 3 to 5 years.
You gotta wash it first, then wet it, then
Okay.
erase, and then exfoliate.
Okay, I'm gonna try this over the weekend. Actually,
Yes.
these kind of go together.
Yeah, so give me both. This cool brand right here. It looks like R plus CO. One is Protect Hair Shampoo, and then the other is Perfect Hair Conditioner, which is great because we're running low on shampoo and conditioner.
We really
so
are. We're
I
really
can't-
running low.
I can't wait to use this. Yeah, it just looks like cool shampoo.
Oh, I
Let's
wanna
smell
smell
it. Oh wait, it doesn't. Yep, there's a
Oh.
thing on it.
Dude. Oh, I got it on my nose. Fuck.
Ooh, that smells really fucking
Here.
good.
Oh, sorry. I put the lid back on. Oh, I like this one. That one smells good too.
I
but
feel like
this
they
one-
smell the same because they're like the same scent. They're like it's like television. Why would they
Really?
make?
I feel like this one smells a little different.
Well, would they make shampoo and conditioner that smells different? Because then like,
I guess that wouldn't make sense. Maybe
Yeah.
I can just smell this one more.
no, they smell the same.
Maybe I'm an idiot.
Maybe I'm an idiot. I ask myself that all the time. Okay, gimme. This is Cuscio Yoga Calm and Cleanse. It's an Epsom salt body wash. Dude, I can't wait to use this too. We're running. Oh, I
I
actually
know,
just
right?
bought
It
some more,
smells
but we're
nice.
gonna use this instead.
Gotta smell it.
Wait, it's
With
my
lavender.
unboxing. I'm gonna
Okay.
smell it first.
Does it smell like lavender?
No, it does. Yeah, I was like, what does that smell?
Oh, I got it on my nose again.
You're good at that.
Okay, I like this because it doesn't smell like fake lavender. It actually smells like
Yeah, no,
lavender.
it's like
you know what
actual
I mean?
sweet lavender.
A new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses, made with lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. Oh, that's good because actually
Yeah.
my skin's getting so dry.
Yeah.
The cold weather here, it's just so dry in New York.
Actually,
Like,
I'm gonna take a shower today before I go because I'm gonna go see a show today, and I'm gonna use all this stuff. I can't wait. My skin's gonna get super cool, and my hair's gonna be clean. Oh, it's gonna be great. Thank you, FabFitFun.
if you guys like this unboxing, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys want $10 off your first FabFitFun box, you can use JSimmons10. I'll put it on the screen. And if you guys want to be cool like Grant, that's what you got to do. So
You got to.
also,
Go to stuff.
our podcast is dropping soon.
Yay.
So be sure to
Instagram.
follow us on Instagram, Skip Snooze Pod. I'll link it below if you guys want to check it out, but you definitely should. And listen to our first episode. Grant's in the hot seat for the first episode.
I am. It's great. Whenever this video drops, it may be out, it may not, but we'll definitely blow it up on social media.
You
Just
look
go.
really cool right now.
I know, I'm very cool. I'm a cool guy. I'm a fab, fit, and fun guy.
Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video.
Cheers.